watching the Hark engine.
Welcome back, YouTube. Look what came. We got the engine today for the ATC 90 project, and I figured we'd do a little unboxing video together. I've only ever opened up a China motor one other time, and it was a Piranha 150 that my buddy had done a bulk order and bought a bunch of them, and then I bought one off of him. It was still sealed and everything, and that motor turned out to be not such a great engine. I think it was just a lemon from the factory, but figured we'd give it a go again. I haven't had the best track record with the China motors, but we're gonna give that a shot. We got a 125 3-speed with electric start and reverse semi-auto. So let's open this bad boy up, see what we got. So I ordered this Monday, and it is currently Thursday. So it took, what, 4 days? Roughly 3 days after they processed it, probably, to get here. This one supposedly has all the stuff with it. Here we go. So first look inside. Let's see. So it looks like here's all my wiring components: CDI, handlebar start switch, keys for the ignition. I see a rectifier and coil, battery cables. We'll open that up a little more in a minute. Just a cheapy air filter, cheapy carburetor. Let's see what we got here. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. Oh, that's a stator. So I wonder if there's the stator's not installed. I'm not sure. Have to check that out. And then we got a heel to toe shifter, which I'm not sure. I probably will put something different on, but got that. And that looks like that's it for the top of the box here. Well, let's see what we got. Something over here actually. Okay, the intake, pretty small. And we got some okay, it feels like the stator cover wrapped in newspaper with Chinese, I guess. And there's the stator cover. Looks pretty nice. Okay, and I believe that is all for the top layer. So let's slide this out of here if we can. And there we go. So it's in a bag. All right, let me pull this out of here and I'll pick the camera back up. All right, and there she is, guys. This is, like I said, a 125, as it says right there, 125cc, 3-speed supposedly with reverse. Electric start, as you can see right here on top. It looks like it has a stator in it, so I'm not sure if that's like a high output stator. Some of the directions on these are kind of lacking, so you don't really know exactly what's going on, but everything seems to be pretty good. Don't see any damages or nothing like that from shipping, so I'm gonna open up this stuff and lay it out, and we'll get a little bit better look at this thing. All right, so I got everything laid out here. Careflight's going above, so pardon the noise, but air filter, a carburetor, stator cover, heel to toe shifter, coil, regulator rectifier, CDI, starter solenoid, key switch. I'm gonna pause this one. Sorry about that. We live like 1 mile from the rural Careflight staging airport over here, so we hear them all the time flying over. But anyway, coil, regulator rectifier, CDI, key switch, starter solenoid, the main wiring harness, which I might have to lengthen some wires, shorten some wires, depending on how everything gets laid out on the bike. And then this handlebar switch. And honestly, I've seen some pretty cheapy ones that come. I mean, this one's cheap, no doubt, but it just looks a little bit better. It's not hollow on the backside like some of them with just a metal ring. Got everything you need right here. Kill switch, headlight, low, high, and start button. So I think I actually can run this and it'll be great. Like I said, may have to extend the wire, but So that's what you're gonna get. 300 bucks roughly, and shipped to your door 2-3 days. Little 125 electric start with reverse. And yeah, so a few things I see that will need to change for my application. Shifter, maybe intake carb layout, but all right, well, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. This just arrived, and I wanted to take you along for the unboxing process, and in the next video we will try to start fitting this up. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll call this part 2 of the ATC 90 build series with the China motor. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.